Fuel prices around the world have been rising again, and many people are asking the same question: why is petrol becoming so expensive? Is it because of taxes, global oil markets, or recent tensions in the Middle East? The reality is that fuel prices are influenced by several global factors working together. One of the biggest reasons behind rising fuel prices is the cost of crude oil. Crude oil is the raw material used to produce petrol, diesel, and many other fuels. Countries that do not produce enough oil domestically must import crude oil from other countries. As a result, the cost of refining and selling fuel also increases, which eventually leads to higher prices for consumers. Another important factor affecting fuel prices is supply and demand. When the global demand for oil increases, prices tend to rise. At the same time, if oil-producing countries reduce their production or if supply chains are disrupted, the availability of oil decreases. When supply is limited but demand remains high, prices naturally increase. Geopolitical factors can also play a major role in fuel price fluctuations. International conflicts, political tensions, sanctions, and trade restrictions can affect oil production and transportation routes. Tensions and conflicts in the Middle East have also increased concerns about global oil supply. The Middle East is one of the world's largest oil-producing regions, and any instability in this area can affect global oil markets. Other elements such as transportation costs, refining expenses, and currency exchange rates can also affect the final retail price of fuel. So when fuel prices increase, it is usually not due to a single reason. Instead, it is the result of global oil markets, supply and demand dynamics, geopolitical developments, and domestic economic policies all working together. Understanding these factors helps explain why fuel prices fluctuate and why changes in global events can quickly affect the price people pay at the pump.
If you want more insights like this and regular academic updates, connect with ProTutorics.